as a generation, all of us, as you mentioned, procrastination, the other thing that we struggle with is basically needing to do everything very quickly, needing to get through things very fast. So my question is, how do we balance the desire for quick returns with like importance in long-term financial planning?
Okay, so there are two things. The first thing is long-term goals, and then the other thing is short-term goals, and then there is an aspect for earning for both of them. The first thing is active income and the other one is passive income. Then one for the kitchen and one for the soul. So what actually happens? One for the soul means that you can keep working on your passive income that will help into making your assets and filling your long-term goals. Okay, but how you are going to get the passive income when you don't have an active income? Okay, so it's very important to have good amount of urge to have that money, to have that fast money, everything into the head. So with this thing, like one for the kitchen, you will work for very actively into that active income, and then it's going to help you make the passive income as well, which is going to fulfill both of your short-term goals and as well as the long-term goals, and eventually the expenses are going to be very less and you will be away from very uncertain liabilities, I would say. So it is very important to have the urge to earn the money, because in that way only you will be able to get that active income and you won't be slow in that. So I would say that's actually a motivation for all of you.